Hey, there's a house down the road, just a couple doors down from this park. It's a 3-cell garage, walkout basement, ranch style, and absolutely no neighbors. I'm actually gonna go check it out right now. Do you wanna join? This home is a 4-bed, 3-bath. Right when you enter, you will see a huge vault-to-ceiling, rich dark wood, and an amazing kitchen. Check out these amazing quartz countertops, updated cabinetry, and for the pantry, let's all admit we all spend way too much money at Costco. This pantry will hold all of it. My personal favorite, let's check this one out, is the tiled doggy bath for all of the muddy paws. And there's one thing in this house I wish my house had, but it doesn't, is the custom cabinets in the closet. How amazing would that be to have storage for your shoes, your dresses, your purses, something that my house doesn't have, and I want it so bad. And the one other thing that this house has that not a lot of houses actually do in this area is a walkout basement. You can put a pool table behind me, and also you have so much room for entertaining guests. As always, thank you so much for touring 303 North Ridge Street in Waunakee, Wisconsin with me. If you like what you see, make sure you book a showing, scan the QR code, and I'll see you next time.